Hi everyone, we're a company focused on outdoor gear, like waterproof bags, swim buoys, and running bottles. All these products are made using high-frequency welding. Today, let me show you how it works. High-frequency welding relies on high-frequency electromagnetic fields. It heats materials by induction and applies pressure to weld plastic parts together. Let us break down the process. First, place the raw material in the mold. Relies on high-frequency electromagnetic fields. Next, the machine generates high-frequency energy through the electrodes. This energy is applied to the welding area. Under the electromagnetic field, plastic molecules vibrate and rub against each other, generating intense heat instantly and quickly melting the plastic. Then, the electrodes press down quickly. And just like that, the product is complete.